Ever felt overwhelmed by the complexities of managing your construction projects? It's a common issue, grappling with inefficient planning, coordinating multiple teams, and maintaining those critical standards and codes. These issues can turn what should be a straightforward project into a logistical nightmare, causing stress, delays, and cost overruns. But imagine if there was a way to streamline these processes to bring order to the chaos. What if a single software solution could alleviate these common problems? Introducing Cype Professional, a comprehensive tool for managing your construction projects efficiently. This software is your one-stop solution for streamlining construction project management, designed to improve your workflow and ensure compliance with industry standards and codes. It's the ace up your sleeve in the complex world of construction. Cype Professional is user-friendly, making it easy for both seasoned professionals and beginners to navigate. But don't let its simplicity fool you. It's robust enough to handle even the most intricate projects. From planning to execution, Cype Professional ensures every piece of the puzzle fits perfectly, leaving no room for error or inefficiency. This software doesn't just manage your projects, it reinvents them. It's a game changer, transforming the way you approach construction management and setting a new standard in the industry. With Cype Professional, project management is not just about getting the job done, but about getting it done right. Now that we've set the stage, let's delve deeper into the features of Cype Professional. Cype Professional comes packed with features designed to simplify your construction project management. Let's delve into these features, shall we? First off, the advanced planning tools. These are not just your regular scheduling tools. They are designed to help you plan your projects with precision, taking into account every little detail. From resource allocation to timeline setting, these tools have got you covered. Next, we have the team coordination features. These are aimed at improving communication and collaboration within your team. With built-in messaging and file sharing capabilities, your team can stay connected and work in sync, no matter where they are. Moreover, Cype Professional also has compliance maintenance capabilities. These features ensure that your project adheres to all the necessary industry standards and regulations. It constantly checks for compliance, saving you from potential legal troubles down the line. Another outstanding feature is its compatibility with other software. Whether it's your accounting software or your design tool, Cype Professional can integrate seamlessly with them, making your work process smoother. Lastly, the ability to generate detailed reports. With just a few clicks, you can get comprehensive reports on every aspect of your project. These reports can be customized to your liking, allowing you to focus on what matters most. As we can see, each feature of Cype Professional contributes to making your construction project management more efficient and hassle-free. Let's recap the main points about Cype Professional. This software stands out for its ability to address common construction project management issues. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to both novices and experienced users alike. Further, it boasts a comprehensive feature set, providing tools for everything from budget management to structural analysis. It's not just a software, it's a solution designed to make your construction project management smoother and more efficient. In conclusion, Cype Professional is a powerful tool that can transform your construction project management experience.